Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about interfaces and inheritance. Let's start with interfaces. Interfaces include declarations of related functionalities that will be later inherited by a class or another interface. The member functions it declares are abstract. They have no implementation. These functions will have to be implemented in the future by a class that inherits from that interface. I would like to note a few things. Static and final members do have an implementation, and these implementations are inherited and cannot be overridden, but we will discuss this in later videos. Now let's discuss inheritance. An interface can inherit only from another interface, but there is no restrictions on the number of interfaces a class can inherit from. In this example, a cat class inherits from the animal interface and implements its abstract functions. Now we can create a cat object and call makeSound function. But interfaces can do a lot more than that. They are similar to a contract between humans that binds them together. Interfaces do the same with the classes that inherit from it. In other words, an interface instance can be used to call different implementations of its functions of the classes that inherit and implement that interface. To make it clear, let's take a look at an example. What we have here is the animal interface that declares makeSound function. Then we have three classes that inherit and implement that interface. So the dog class, the cat, and the cow class. Each implements its own version of makeSound function. Now let's create a separate function. It will take an animal interface instance as an argument and we'll call the makeSound function using that instance. At this point, we can call any version of makeSound function given the relevant class object. Let's compile and run it. It might seem a little at first, but it will simplify a lot of things in the future when we will start implementing various design patterns and creating our game menu. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.